If your MacBook won't turn on, let's walk through simple checks to get it running. First, confirm the power outlet and surge protector are working. Next, inspect the charger and USB-C or MagSafe adapter for damage. Reconnect firmly, listen for connection clicks, and try a different cable if available. Check the MacBook ports, remove debris and ensure the connector fits snugly. If the screen stays dark, try a power cycle by holding the power button for 10 seconds. If basic checks fail, try resets that often fix power issues. For Intel Macs, reset the SMC by shutting down and using Shift Control Option plus Power for 10 seconds. Reset NVRAM by powering on and holding Option Command P and R for about 20 seconds. On Apple Silicon, shut down, wait 30 seconds, then restart to let hardware initialize. If the MacBook still won't start, test the battery or try booting with charger attached. If none of these steps help, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for diagnostics.